Why is this kid totally fine 1 minute, but then explodes the next?
Great question. Anger works like a sudden brainstorm that builds quietly and bursts fast. Sometimes it shows up because someone feels hurt, embarrassed, or ignored. Today we will discover why anger fires so quickly, how your brain controls it, and the simple trick that helps anyone stay calm even when emotions feel huge.
So, what does that actually mean?
Anger is not a bad emotion, it is a signal that something feels unfair, too much, or out of control. The problem starts when the signal becomes the reaction. When kids understand that anger is information, not identity, they can respond with clarity instead of losing control. You can learn to use anger instead of letting anger use you.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, and anger begins in the amygdala, the part of your brain that reacts to danger. When it fires too quickly, the prefrontal cortex, which helps you think clearly, gets pushed aside. With small calm habits, your brain builds stronger pathways so you can recognize anger early and slow it down. Your brain becomes better at staying steady even when emotions rise.
How does this show up in real life?
At school, you may snap when someone interrupts or mocks you. In friendships, you may feel a rush of heat when you think someone left you out. At home, you might yell when things feel unfair or overwhelming. These moments appear because your amygdala reacts before your thinking brain has time to help you choose a better response.
So, small equals big?
Yes, because every tiny calm choice becomes a protective layer for your future self. One slow breath gives your prefrontal cortex a chance to return. One pause before reacting teaches your brain that you are in control. Anger is like a spark, and your choices decide whether it becomes a small flicker or a wildfire. Small calm habits make your mind stronger every day.
So, how do I start?
Try this 3-step plan. Step 1. Notice the physical signals such as tight fists or fast breathing so your brain can pause. Step 2. Take one slow breath which lowers amygdala activity. Step 3. Choose a simple action like walking away or asking for space, which gives your prefrontal cortex full control again. Repeat these steps until they feel natural.
What should we do today?
Your challenge is to catch one moment when you feel irritation rising and do a single calm pause. It can be one breath, one step back, or one quiet second. When you do it, comment the word calmer so we can celebrate your progress. If this episode helped you feel even a little braver, join the Growth Lab family so we can grow together. Remember, anger does not control you when you understand how your brain works and practice tiny calm habits every day. A stronger thinking brain leads to better choices and a more peaceful life. You have the power to stay steady even when emotions feel big.
See you in the next episode.